the year-long Silver Jubilee celebration of the Seng Longkmie Catholic CMC Mawlai Nongkwar came to a close on Sunday the 2nd of July 2023. The closing ceremony was attended by the Archbishop of the Shillong Archdiocese, Reverend Victor Lyngdoh, the Provincial of Shillong Province, Reverend Father Paul O. Lyngkot, Reverend Father Telephoros Nonglang, Parish Priest of Mawlai Parish, Reverend Father Roy Anthony, Assistant Parish Priest, Reverend Father Mukt Tirkey, Rector Savio Juniorate, Reverend Father Michael Khongngaiñ, Savio Juniorate brothers and sisters from the Mawlai Parish, local MLA and MDC, the Executive Members of the Kynthei Katholik Mawlai Parish, Headman, along with members of the Dorbar Shnong Mawlai Nongkwar, amidst the church elders and committee members of the Catholic Managing Committee of Mawlai Nongkwar, besides other invitees. The Seng Longkmie, a women's association of the Catholic faithfuls from Mawlai Nongkwar locality under Mawlai Parish, was established 25 years back in 1997 by a few devoted women of faith during when it was a smaller community of Catholic faithfuls of the area. On its 25th year of existence and service at Mawlai Nongkwar in particular, and the entire Mawlai Parish in general, and also the society at large, the newly elected members, on taking new charge of office, immediately organized the celebration in 2022 through a series of events ranging from sports, singing competitions, evangelical and prayer services, and charity events in and around Shillong City, besides other smaller events. During the closing ceremony, former founding members were posthumously felicitated, and others who are still present were recognized for their relentless services for many long years. Others who were felicitated included the Archbishop, the Provincial, the priests and brothers and sisters, the local representatives of Mawlai constituency, executive members of Mawlai Nongkwar Dorbar Shnong, other dignitaries present during the occasion, senior members who had contributed immensely to the endeavors of the Seng Longkmie, and winners of various competitions.
Don Brentuni ki Don Kmi hagi gasam Sudan hamre ikam terekam Sudan oi piang ma o ime idon haying ikon yang ime idon haying kajing don hari Sudan tawa kam larkam tam pergi iktrikam kumno bi kum kakmi pide ban long hagi gasam Tim abhi kibaran hangni borok kibam padon hakin kekenhun ke bawang ibu buru rangwa barang mana hari ngam ju net ba ngaran kampangan rung hapo ka Seng Kynthei ni ka Seng Samla ni ka Seng Rangba ni ka Seng Longkmie ka pamantang CMC kong banrung hangtai namdon kam banrung lara mapi ko Longkmie piong pamantang nga Longkmie ni ka jington kmi ka per na ka Longkmie kamat bangalong nadong sadong nadu kli harujat patbo baca berhaba mga Longkmie sisya ngan penting kakasap Longkmie bo play ula bu yang kum ke Kynthei mga Longkmie hagaying kesen